Welcome back to the den. For this week's project, I've only gone and opened up a can of worms. Don't worry, they're only dried mealworms. Bacon. I'm only kidding. What kind of person do you think I am? I've even got gloves on. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now this is the point where I typically show you my project and say how pleased I am with it, or not, but with this project I just can't even bear to touch it. Seriously, turning worms in resin can be done, but it really shouldn't be done. Now if you're still with me, I'll do a few thank yous. This week I received a sticker from Jay. Thank you, Jay, came all the way from Australia. Also I received a sticker from one of my favourite makers, Anne Carlholm. She's an extremely talented Swedish craftsperson, and I'm pretty sure she'd be horrified if she saw this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. You could say this video was clickbait. Worms. Next week we'll have something a little more sweet. It might be cute, it might be sweet, I don't know, but don't worry, I'll never ever ever be turning these worms again. The smell, you've seriously got no idea. Now there was one chap that wasn't at all horrified with the project. I'll let you check out his reaction with the beauty shots at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, stay safe in your workshops. I'll catch you all next week. I'm off for a very long shower. Remember, stay foxy.